Question 18, we've got two spinners and they're each spun once. The probability that spinner A lands on red is 1/4, and the probability that both spinner A and spinner B land on red is 1/24. Work out the probability that one spinner lands on red and the other spinner does not land on red. There are our two spinners. So this is the probability of red, and this is the probability of not red, which I'm going to call red dashed. Equally for spinner B, this is the probability of red, and this is the probability of not red. Well, we know this is equal to 1/4. So this must be equal to 3/4. Now we're told that if both spinners land on red, both A and B land on red, the probability is 1/24. So let's call this probability X for the moment. So therefore, the probability of red from A multiplied by the probability of red from B is equal to 1/24. Well, we know this guy is equal to 1/4. So therefore, the probability of spinner B landing on red is equal to 1/6. And again, not red must therefore be equal to 5/6. So we've got all the probabilities of both of the individual spinners, and we can work out now the probability that one spinner lands on red and the other spinner does not land on red. So this means if A lands on red, then B must not be red. Equally, if B lands on red, then A must not land on red, and we get this probability. So the first probability, A on red and B is not on red, and this is equal to 1/4 multiplied by the probability of B not red. So this is 5/6. And this is equal to 5/24. Right, now B turns up red and A not red. So this is equal to B on red, which is 1/6, multiplied by A not on red, which is 3/4. So this is equal to 3/24. And as we don't care which is which, we can add these two probabilities together to get the probability of one or other being on red and therefore the other being on not red. So this is 5/24 plus 3/24, which is equal to 8/24. And that's the answer.